Welcome to our YouTube channel, ServiceNow by Veda Technologies. I just wanted to give you some overview on this video. Here are the playlists that we are keep on uploading. This is our channel. You can subscribe our channel for all the topics. Okay, and you can go ahead and watch the video. Thank you. Did you guys created your own PDA, personal developer instance? What we discussed in the last session?
We created an user
Yes.
last section and we added groups have user privileges and everything.
We just had looked into the user interface and their privileges based on the role that we are assigning to the system. Based on the role, like what kind of roles we had seen? What were all the roles?
ITIL role.
Yes, these roles.
ITIL.
Correct. These roles we had seen, and depends on the role, the user privileges to the system is managed. Correct. So in the real time, ideally, okay, the role that we are adding to the system, okay, we are going to the user table and picking up the user, correct? For example, XYZ, and go to related list of roles and adding the role, correct? This is what we did. Okay, let me quickly log into the PDA. This is what we did, right? To add the role, how we did?
Yes.
This is how. But ideally, in the real time, you shouldn't do this. Okay. In the real time, you should not add directly role to the user. It is not best practices. Okay. It is not the best practices. Why I will tell you. Give me 2 minutes. I'm logging into the instance. Then you will get understand. So under the user administration, we need to take up the users. Okay. Ideally, what we did, we went somewhere and this is the user that we had created. And we are going to the user record. And then in the down, you are seeing the related list. Okay. The stuff that you are seeing is calling as the related list. Okay. Here we were adding the roles. Correct. So instead of this, ideally the requirement comes. Okay. We need to create a user and then we need to add that particular user to one of the group. Okay. One of the group. The group, for example, as software. Okay. After adding those guys to the software group, automatically, whatever the user you are seeing here, the user will get a role directly. Why? We will be seeing. Okay. Understand the requirement more. Okay. Ideally, requirement we had seen like, okay, just we had created the user and then give some role or access to the application. That is incident application. Correct? And now I'm talking about one of the requirement. The requirement is something like I need to create a user that is already created. This user should be added to the group, that is software group, or create one group, create one user and add that particular user to the group. Okay, fine. For example, I'm taking the existing group. Okay, groups are there. If you are seeing here, just type groups. Okay, if you come down under the user administration, you will be seeing the users groups. Okay, the groups that you are taking up, you need to create, assign, and add the users to the group. Okay, that is the requirement. Then where I can go? Can you guide me? See, can you guess it more? from where I should take which. When I search with the group, I had seen many groups here. See, which one I can take? There are many groups now. Which one
Admin
I
user
should take it?
under administrator user groups.
This. Okay. This is the one?
No, it is like survey. No, it not. Not this one.
Which one? See, when I search with right, there are multiple application under hierarchy it got open. But which one I should take it?
Users and groups security. Yeah, this one.
This one. Huh?
Yeah.
Let's open. This is the one?
These are group for.
Yeah. Okay. Whenever you're searching out with the groups or the roles or the users, definitely you should have to take it under user administration. Under user administration, you should have to take the groups or the users.
Okay.
Okay. There are multiple searches, multiple results which I got it. The related topic that we are going to be work on this part, user administration. You need to take it. Okay.
So the groups also will be saved in sys underscore user table only.
No. It is the separate table, separate path. So it is the path, and then this is the path.
Sys underscore underscore group. Yeah.
Okay. That is a separate topic. Tables, covering the table and the structure, that and all. We are just at initial stage. That is fine. But this is the path. When you say users, only sys underscore user
Underscore.
underscore
Yeah.
list. When you say group, sys underscore user underscore groups
Yeah.
underscore list. Okay, these are all the groups. Fine. So do you see anywhere software group?
No.
Hmm. There are 49 groups. Okay. The page which is showing only 10 results. Okay, if you go somewhere and show 50 rows, then you will be seeing. Or you can go to the next page. Okay. The result you are seeing when you go inside 49 records are there, means 49 groups are there, but you are seeing only these many. You should have to go inside next page. Or if you wanted to be show more than 10 records, then go to this part. Okay. And then show 15 or 20. These many. And next you can go click on next, then you will be seeing remaining groups. Okay. Just search with software now. If you have the software group or not. Search with software. I got it. I got the software. Okay. And you can see the description of it, what it does. Okay. You can go inside of it. This is the software group, and this is related to, it is responsible for all software requests, including the installations and repair. This is the description. This is their job. This is the group. And if you come down, group members are there. Group members are these people. Okay. The group members are
Okay.
6 people. These 6 people works for this part.
Software. Yeah.
Correct. So when these guys are working for software, they should have some role. The role is this. Correct. They should have to create it. They should have to read it. They should have to update it. The incident application. Correct.
Yeah.
If we take up Tushar, what role he has now? I had removed the role. Okay, he is not having any
Nothing.
role. He is not having any role. Whenever he is not having any role, is this guy having the privileges of seeing the records, updating the records or creating the records or not?
No, nothing you will be having.
Nothing you will have. So now I had the requirement. This is the group. I need to add the guy into this particular group. The moment I have added that guy into this particular group, he must get it the roles, whatever are there, if this group has. In the similar way, when you say the users, under the users, roles is there, related list. Similar way on the group level, okay, group tab level, the roles tab is there. Roles related list is there. Okay. Now I don't do anything. I will go to group members and add Tushar to the group. Okay. Edit. And at the moment I clicked on it, I will be opening one box. The box can be called as slush bucket. Slush bucket mode. The entire thing, wherever you see this kind of structure on our ServiceNow page, that can be called as a slush bucket. Okay. These are all the available things. These are all the added things. These guys are added to the group. Now I wanted to be added Tushar also. Check it, click it, double click it. Okay. Or just you will be seeing the arrows. When you say this add, when you say this remove. Okay. I'm adding it and save it. Okay. Now the group members are became 7. The group of software is having 7 members group. It became fine. Now who is Tushar? Who is this guy?
Software guy.
This guy is this guy, is this fellow. When he is able to help Infosys people to resolve the issues related to software group, software related issues, correct? Because he is into the software group. Now, what role he has? Does he able to access the system or not? First point. Okay, refresh it. Any role is added? Do you see any role for Tushar?
No.
Okay. If I logging into the system, okay, how can I logging into the system? How can I check as a Tushar? And now I am the service administrator. I am the service admin. I wanted to be checked. What access Tushar has to the system? What should I do?
Go to admin, the picture one,
Then
impersonate. Yeah.
impersonate it and then search for the user. Tushar. Impersonate it. Okay. And then search with incident application. Where our requirement is for incident. Do you see incidents? And he is not able to see all the incidents. This incident is related to Tushar. So he is able to see. Correct? Now,
Yeah.
again, I will come back. End impersonate. The moment I click on end impersonate, again, I will come back to my system administrator login role. That's it. Now, I will go to software group and I will go to the roles and okay, how many group members are there? You check it. David Lou is there, na? Open it. Open it. David Lou. Okay. What happened? Opening the David Lou. He is one of the user. Okay, he has many roles. Sima. Why he has many roles? It is by defaultly added. Before he is adding to the user, he is adding to the group, already has the roles. Okay. But if you look at our Tushar, he is not having any role. Now, I had only one group. If I add the role to the group, the topic can be involved and he should have some roles here. You should be able to open the application. Okay, see here, roles, edit, or I will do one thing. I will be removing all the roles for this David Lou also. Okay. Okay, ma'am. Now David Lou has any roles more here? David Lou.
No.
See, I had removed the roles. Okay, now go to the group members and adding ITIL role. Okay, and save it. What I did, I added role to the group. Okay, I have added role to the group, correct? Is it added more? Yes. ITIL role is added and the group members are there. These are all the group members. Okay, you just see it. So just see the magic. I will go to impersonate and I will check it with Tushar. Now he is able to access the instant application or not. Impersonate. Do I see it now? I'm able to see all the records.
Yes.
Now in the Tushar, did I add role to the user or role to the group?
Role to the group.
What it is happened? What is happened when I add role to the group?
The group members who are having access to that, the members who are all added to that group are having the access which is there for the group and
Right?
having the roles which are added to that group.
Well, that's it. That's it. You don't need to add the roles to the group, roles to the users, because that is a individual based. Okay, if I have 100 members, okay, I just wanted to add those people to the group. Directly when I add it, automatically the roles, whatever the group has, it will be applicable for all the group members. I don't want it to go there and add it to the all the users more. So for example, there are 100 people. So you will create 100 users, okay, and then add role to the 100 users. Or how do you do? 100 users are there. Add
We'll create
role
100 users and we'll
to the
assign the group to them.
100 people. Okay, that is not possible. It takes time, and moreover, it don't works on the subscription based. Okay, anyhow, the guy should be there in one of the group. Okay, the people who are working for it, anyhow, they should be working for something. They should be into some group, correct? When we say they should be into the group, why we need to be add the role particularly? It takes time. Moreover, if the guy left the organization, we just if we remove the guy from the group, automatically the roles will be gone. We don't need to go there and remove the roles. See, roles are there. If this guy has left the organization, then what you do? You need to go there and remove all the roles.
No, go to the group and remove from the group.
Just you can go there and remove from the group, then automatically this guy will be losing all the roles of it. Then they may, I know, like the cost related, right? The subscription will be there in the real time. The subscription will be costed to manage the subscription cost and all right. This is the best practice. You don't need to add individually. This is how the things can be taken care in the real time. So I automatically there are multiple roles now, but I just added one role. But how many roles has been added? 43 roles automatically has been added. The concept of inherit will be added, inheritance. The moment I have added, okay, roles to the group, then inheritance concept will be added, and then the different roles and different people will be having the accesses and adding them into the roles automatically. I just added one role, correct? But see, this guy is having multiple roles. You are seeing multiple things, na? Multiple roles here. 43 roles are there. But did you add it? Did you add it? No, we didn't add it. We just added ITIL role. Even if I added ITIL role, the multiple roles, okay, the multiple roles has been added. Okay, fine. If I wanted to be, if we wanted to be remove the roles, I just can come here and remove him from the group. That's it. And then even though it's similar to this guy, David Lu also. Okay, he's not having any role earlier. Just to refresh it, we'll be seeing. Okay, SEMA, first point, as a beginners, you should have to remember when you added or when you did some configurations, make sure all the pages has been refreshed. Then only the configuration will be added. Remember. So for example, here I had been added. If you go here, nothing was added. I just refreshed it, then configurations get it from the live. It will go here and it will get the latest configuration that you are added. Okay. So this is how you will be managing. If you wanted to be removed, this you can remove it. I don't want to go there and add the roles to the group directly. That is not the best practice. Fine.
Yeah.
And you can also create your own group now. So existing group is there, right? Similar way, however, you are creating the user, similar way you can create the groups also. Okay. See here. You can create your own group. Say new. You can create your own group. Okay. And then you can add the people to the group also. Okay. For example, just given it. Okay. Responsible for Outlook related issues. Okay. And manager you can assign. Just save it. Don't submit it. See, from here you can add the groups members. And from here you can add the roles. That's it. This is how system administrator works can be started. Okay, the topic till now we had seen it. Okay, creating the users. Okay, and then groups, and then adding the roles. This topic and all can be comes under system administrator topics, user administration topics. Sorry. Okay, user administration topic. This is how you will get started. You will get supporting to the people in the production. Fine. That's it about the user administration, and we can learn more futurely. Mostly, it's not only just it's kind of stuff for all the people where you can just see how ServiceNow works and all. Okay,
You
and
assign the group privileges.
group privileges will
Like if
not be there directly when
okay,
when
so
the guy is
for,
having the, yeah, it's not kind of application. Incident is one of the
okay,
application.
like
Groups is the
see
user
if you're taking
administration.
okay, if you're taking ITIL means you are getting like
ITIL people will not be able to add or create the users. Okay,
can you go to the
only admin
worksheet
can
which
do
you
that.
have just now? Can you go up
Yeah,
to the
where
third
you want.
option? No, the notepad.
Okay,
Can you go up? Yeah, if you check here, ITL is there, right? Where this will be the CUD operation, where this will be done for a group. I'm
From the
creating one group.
okay.
I'm creating one group. Okay.
Mm.
How do I know that I'll get all these accesses like create, read, and write? Where to assign that?
Okay. And you are the admin. You had created what?
A group. Okay.
Okay. You had created one group. Okay.
Okay. Just now we created like group 36
Mm,
batch or something, right?
mm, mm.
What are all the privileges that group will be having?
Group will not have anything because we haven't added any members to the group first point. When you say
Okay.
group is club of people. You
Yeah. Group
can't
is a
check
club of
the,
people.
you're right. You can't check the group has privileges. When you added someone to the group, then only you can check via users of the
Oh, okay.
group.
Based on the users only, it will be having. Okay.
Yes, yes. You will be added some people to the group, then
Okay.
you
Got
can
you.
check via users what privileges the group has. Fine. So this is the sample things, ma. Okay. Maybe you will be learning more after demos. Okay. If it is the syllabus that we are going to be cover is this. Okay. Most of the people knows already. I had introduced it in the last session. Okay. Maybe you can take it from our WhatsApp group also. It is already been added. Okay. Uh, Mostly the course will be taking, okay, more than 2 months, maybe 2.5 months. And also it depends on your, how you are adopting the things or the syllabus that we are covering. And from Monday to mostly Friday or Saturday. Monday to Friday will be there definitely. And mostly sometimes I may take on the Saturday if all the people are agree. Okay, every day, 1 hour definitely the session will be conducted. And then the topic, whatever we had seen till now, okay, this and all, this ITAL process and the issues that is comes under ITSM. Okay, there are multiple modules in our service now. ITSM is there. This is for the service management. Okay, information technology service management. Okay, to handle this business process, this platform will be used. Incident, problem, that and all. Okay. And next part, our service now can be used for other business processes also. That is HR related topics. HRST. Okay. To manage the HR related topics, or when you say in big organization, multiple people are onboarding and offboarding. Correct? Even if you say, if you take up the Infosys, there would be multiple people daily will be onboarded, newly onboarded, and most of the people will be offboarding. To manage all those stuff automatically, the application can be used that is related to HRSD. And then likewise, you will the service now can support multiple things in the IT organizations or in any organization. Okay, this is ITSM, HRSD, and you will be seeing ITOM, okay, information technology operations management. So this can be taking care of the assets, I mean, the softwares that people are using inside the organization, okay, that I can give the introduction one later. But our main agenda as part of the course is this. Why I tell you, okay, the topics whichever you are seeing here, okay, all the topics of ServiceNow can be implemented on this. You can't implement it on this or this. Before you wanted to be learn this and all, you should have to learn this part. If you learn this, all the topics can be covered of the ServiceNow. Okay. When you are more comfortable with these topics, easily you can learn this. or this. Without this, you can't learn this. Okay, maybe 10 sessions or 1 week or 10 days it takes to learn ITOM, ITOM. For HRSD, maybe 10 sessions. But if you learn this only, you can be able to learn this. Okay, most of the projects you will be seeing on the ITSM almost 70 to 80%. Nowadays, people are implementing this also. But if you learn this, definitely you can learn this. But in our course, I will cover this, and then partially I will cover this 3 to 4 sessions. Okay, and likewise, there are multiple ITAM. Okay, asset management, information technology, asset management, and then GRC, CSM. Likewise, there are many more, many business processes. For that also, the ServiceNow will be used. That is why it has huge competition in the market if you compare it with other technical tools. Okay. And one more time, I'm saying the course, whatever we are learning, it can be anything. I don't recommend to the people, don't keep more than 4 years and go. Don't keep more than 4 years of relevant experience, relevant into the service now. You will get lot of struggles if you keep more than 4 years. Trust me. Okay, if you have non-IT of 10 years of experience, for example, don't keep 4 years, more than 4 years into the relevant experience into the service now. Maybe you will get lead positions or senior people, tech, technical people. Okay, then it will be very difficult to be managed as you are new to the product, new to the deliverables, because at least it takes 1 month mostly to adapt all the things once you join into the organization. But for 1 month, you need to take the support when you joined in one of the organization. 1 month, you should have to learn many things. Then only you will be sustaining into your job. If not, you will not be. And moreover, once you joined into the organization, daily you will not be using all this stuff. Maybe depends on the requirement, you will take it and work on. If you learn this particular course, okay, you will get 3 to 4 job roles. Maybe you can be able to work with integration part. Integrations will be there, one of the topic. The dedicated job will be there, and catalogs will be there, and ITSM will be there. When you learn this particular course, you can be able to work on catalog developer, okay, and then ITSM, and then integration. These 3 job roles you may have. I mean, these 3 tasks you are going to be doing if you learn this course. There are choices. Okay, the projects, right? You can keep on the ITSM and catalogs development and integration part. That and all I can tell you, but just partial naming conventions I'm giving here. What is this? What is that? And all I'm not going to be discussing. Okay.
So from when the actual classes are starting, it's from tomorrow.
But actually, most of the people are asking for evening batches. No? Usually, I do have morning and evening, but the morning batch is already done. I'm going to be started morning as well as evening, but evening takes time mostly. But if people are more than 20 or 25, I may get started evening batch also. Okay, every batch maybe 25 to 30 people will be there, definitely. Okay. Sometimes 35, 40 will be there. It depends on it.
So when is
Okay.
the morning batches starting?
9 a.m. Same.
No, from tomorrow or from?
Yeah, it depends on the people are, you know, what you call, enrolled.
Because I'm joining from US, so morning will be better for me because.
Yeah, yeah. My HR will guide you in everything. Okay. You guys can contact them. And if you want it to be continue, you can just talk to them and enroll, and probably they will be adding you to the group. Very less people are joining for the demos. I'm not sure why, but people are asking. They are interested. They need to look at the demos first point. Right? And the doubts related, I had seen few. Okay, this is the sheet people are written. So I'll do one thing. So on the doubt session, whatever are there, I will make the video and then I can share it with you guys. If not, it takes time. It takes at least 20 minutes now. I'll make the video and I'll share it. It will be useful. In demo, you have mentioned assignments, right? Could you please show one of the assignment document related to any topic? For example, UI policies, clients, because more use cases covered that most people get it. I always ideal to maintain uh, the use cases documents for assignments rather than telling people directly in the session. So requesting you to maintain the assignments. So usually, so if I take this thing, okay, I don't give it in the session usually. Okay, the post session 1 p.m. mostly there would be some assignment session will be there. In the live, I will be giving because before if I give you right, you will be searching somewhere and you will do it. At documents level, we have many documentations more. Assignment documentation, it end up the things probably I can give it. Maybe here, see. Okay. Scenario based task. These are many documents are there. There are many things where I can introduce. For example, background scripting. This is the documentation. Assignments will be there. Okay. See, there are many. I can be maintain the things, but if I directly tell you this now, you will just go ahead with these answers and do it. That is not the best practice. But at the end of the course, probably I can share it, that everything. But in the live, I will be giving the assignments, then you should have to do it. Okay, likewise, there are many questions, I guess. I will make the video and share it. So
Hello, good
anything
morning,
else?
sir.
Morning. Good
So,
morning.
sir, HR has stated that integration part will be covered or not, it depends. It
No,
will
no,
be
no.
covered, right?
Integration part is covered now. See, for
Covered, right?
last batch also I did cover. For all the batches I did cover. That is needed
Mm-hmm.
because nowadays in the interviews people are asking. That is needed now. See, integration will be there definitely. See, API, this stuff and all related to
Mm-hmm.
integrations. So even you can check in our
As
YouTube
HR
channel.
has stated, because it depends on your time, HR has
Ah,
stated, so I have.
maybe they got confused. Okay. Flow designer. I was talking about flow designer, not this. This is needed. You can check our YouTube channel for last batch related videos. I think I had posted. Our team has been posted. Yes, editing team. That should be there.
Okay, thank you.
It's okay.
Custom application also will be taught.
Definitely. That and all we will be taking up. We will be acting as a client or service provider, and then we'll take up one very good application. Then we'll get started from the scratch. That's how you will learn. Will create your own tables, will create your own forms, you will implement all the topics there and IT and ITSM. If not, it will be very difficult to you to be managed now. If I directly go there and only talking about the incident application, right, you may get confused. from scratch. Okay, for example, if I search with incident application is coming, correct? Incident. This is one of the application. I see create new. I see assign to me. I see open. This and all the like child like shortcuts of the incident application. When you say create new, the new page will be open. The page is related to creating the new incident, correct? This page. When I say
Yes.
assigned to me, what is assigned to me? This is the shortcut that instants are assigned to me. Okay, maybe I had logged in with this user. Even though if you logged in with user, you will be seeing your incidents here assigned to you. Okay, just come down. You will see resolved. Resolved is the shortcut. Resolved instant you will be seeing here. Okay, and then all, when you say all the incidents created by all till now on this particular system. Okay, similar way, for example, when you search with your application name will come and then the shortcuts will be covering. From the scratch, you will learn. It is definitely. You should have to create it. Why? You should not use the similar one, whatever it is there. The process you should have to understand, that the incident process, the life cycle you should get understand. Okay, sometimes they may request you to create the new application and do it. Then what you do if that requirement comes? You learn all the topics, but you are unable to create it from the scratch. Then it doesn't make any sense, even if you learn the tons of topics. Okay. Any doubts, anyone?
Sir, in scripting means which language we'll use? As you have
JavaScript,
shown scripts and all.
JavaScript,
Yes.
JavaScript. Nothing to be worried. I can take up. I will make you learn the JavaScript. Basic things only will be using, not more than. Okay. Then scripting part also I will
Yes.
cover. See, you do one thing. You can go to our YouTube channel and look at the previous sessions. Okay. The previous sessions, how
Yes.
we were covering in the similar way, maybe. See, if I tell you frankly, okay, this is the, for example, this is our 36th batch. Okay. If I go to 30th batch and see my videos, and if you go to the 36th batch and watch my videos, the way of explanation or covering the topics will be improved definitely. It's not only for me, it can be with anyone.
Yes.
I may got some experience in 5 batches. I may improve, I may get cover you the different topic also here. And the way of explanation might be different. I always think as a new learner and I will explain it. It's not like very, very fast we can go and cover it and then close the sessions. It won't work out. It worthless. But definitely I agree I may go slow to get understand it by everyone.
So how to get the previous sessions in your YouTube channel? Because I went to
Yeah, but you do one
ServiceNow.
thing.
ServiceNow.
Okay. You do one thing. Go to the ServiceNow by Veda Technologies channel. You can share your screen. See, I just searched with Veda Technologies. Okay. I went to the YouTube and searched with this is our channel. Go inside and go to the playlist. This is the live session. I mean demos of your batch. This is the last batch, one of the batch related, 35th batch related, and you will see other topics also. Integration topics, and maybe 35th related batch videos I did uploaded. I think I had created 6 months ago. 6 months, close to 2024. Maybe it's 6 months. We got good response. Earlier, I was taking care of the QA things more, mostly QA and performance testing and QA related. Nowadays, most of the things focusing on the service now. Because QA, there are a lot of competition and people are not getting the calls also. This is a bit fine. Any questions from anyone?
Yeah, you have shared all the videos in YouTube.
Not all the videos.
Okay.
Your live session videos, huh?
Yeah, live section
No,
videos.
no,
Yeah,
I
I
don't
saw
do.
integrations.
See, integration
Yeah,
related, na? See, if you go inside of
yeah,
it, our editor will do one thing. Okay, our editor will do some editings, okay, where people names will
yeah,
not be seen, and then topic level they will cut it and then they will upload it. It's not
yeah,
entire thing, entire session.
yeah. Like I thought, like if I
No,
take this training sections, then what is the difference between the YouTube and this? I felt.
no. See, here only 17 sessions are there. Do you have
Yeah,
only
yeah.
17
Okay.
sessions?
Yeah,
Will you? See, our drive. You go to the drive. Give me 2 minutes. I will try. This and all our folders. This is a morning batch. How many sessions are there? No? See,
yeah, yeah.
till 5 there
Is
were
morning batch already started?
it is done. Only few topics are left. Only 4 topics are left. 3 to 4 class sessions. Because of I need to take the mock interview so that I had stopped the sessions. If I complete the sessions, they won't give the mock interviews. That is why I stopped. See, these are all our last batch related. If you see any video, it will be more than 50 minutes. Anything. If we take it, 59 minutes. 50 minutes. This is not, I didn't cover this. I asked someone to be taken 3 sessions when I wasn't available. 1 hour, 25 minutes, right? Sometimes 1 hour, 44 minutes. It depends, but not more than 1 hour because I can't stop the topic in between sometimes. Okay. How many sessions are there for this batch? 61. Till 3, 4 needs to be added. But before this batch, there were only 54, 53 sessions. So it depends on the communication that we are happening, towards the students. Or if they are not understanding, I may need to be explain them. That's how the things will be going. It's not like only 50 sessions, only 40 sessions.